And amidst all the grim news, fingers crossed over the possibility of an early vaccine against COVID-19. Russia says that it's registering its first vaccine next week. President Trump promises there'll be one in the US before November 3rd. What exactly does the race for a vaccine stand? And where is India in that lineup? Sneha Mordani explains.
There is no silver bullet at the moment, and there might never be.
The World Health Organization earlier this week dashing hopes of a vaccine. But masks, social distancing and testing are all tactics used to buy time before a savior vaccine comes along.
There is a dilemma. The pandemic is progressing rapidly, and to develop a vaccine, it takes time.
The speed with which vaccine developers have moved has ensured that at least 141 vaccines are being studied globally. 26 have reached the stage of human trials. Among them are 3 Indian ones: Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, Zydus Cadela's Zycov-D, and Serum Institute's Covishield.
Phase 1 and Phase 2 are safety studies, more importantly safety studies, and very early efficacy studies.
The Serum Institute is also tied up with International Vaccine Alliance, Gavi, and the Gates Foundation to produce 100 million doses of vaccine for India and other low-income countries by the year 2021. It is likely to be priced at $3 a dose. Globally, the race has heated up to the extent that US President Donald Trump has linked it to his poll campaign. He says a vaccine is going to be available before the 3rd November election date. In another part of the world, Russia stirred a hornet's nest by announcing that it has made and developed the first COVID-19 vaccine. The World Health Organization has already raised an alarm by saying that important protocols and steps have been skipped and scientific data is not available to back Russia's claims that they have indeed developed a vaccine against COVID-19. What's actually giving us hope is Moderna's vaccine, which is in the 3rd phase of the trials. Moderna says that the vaccine seems to be protecting mice against SARS-CoV-2, which is the virus that causes COVID-19. Oxford University's AstraZeneca also says that they have some promising and some good data available to show the efficacy of their own vaccine. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for CNN News 18.